Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today's video, I'm gonna share with you a great product I just picked up. I do like putting mods and all that stuff on, but I also like items that are very useful as far as when you do maintenance and things like that. If you remember, I got this light here. It's from ANCEL. It's a nice super bright LED light. Well, as you know, if you're doing anything in the engine compartment here, it can be really dark. So if you're, say, putting a new intake on and stuff, I mean, even with these lights on right here, it's really hard to see. It's not that bright, especially if you go toward the back here. It's almost impossible to find little clips or anything depending on what you're working on. So I always like little tools that makes the job a little bit easier. And of course, that won't break the bank as well. So I'm excited to bring you another great product, guys, from ANCEL. And here it is. It's another nice LED light, but this one has more LEDs and it's super bright, brighter than the other one. It has a built-in hook on it. It's magnetic. Let me go ahead and get it out of the box here. So here's what it looks like, really basic. Has 4 strong magnets on the bottom. So again, that's very useful if you guys work on your cars or around the house. Very nice to have somewhere it won't roll off. And it's nice, it has these little arms here. It has the LED bar in them. You can adjust them however you want. To really illuminate the work area. Really nice design. I do like this one. And it folds up pretty compact. And that's how it looks all folded up. So it's not huge. So check that out. It doesn't do it justice on this video because it'll just blind you. You won't be able to see if I pointed it at it, but you get the idea. So you can illuminate all of them or one of them. And what's nice also about this, like a lot of their products, is you can charge your device. Any USB device, you can charge it. So it's a power bank as well, which I always like having handy because you never know when you need to charge something up. So right here under this flap. So there's a USB, and then there's a charging cable they give you right here that you plug in the other port, and then this other one you can plug in your phone or whatever it is. If you're out, so you're camping, you can bring this with you and charge up your phone. It's always great to have. Like I said, it has a hook on it already, so you can hook it to things. So some hands-free here. Really nice. So to give you a quick idea of how it works without blinding you. I mean, you can see how piercing bright that is. You push another one, it goes 50%, and then push it again. One lights up, then push it again, the other side lights up. But here, I'll turn the lights off so you can maybe get a better idea. So check that out. Does a great job of illuminating things. And then what's also nice about it, so here you can angle this however you want. Like I said, it can go 50%, turn on the right side, or turn on the left side, depending on what you're working on. And it also has another nice feature. You push and hold here, has little spotlights on the end of each arm. So if you just want to really pinpoint a certain area, see those are turned off, but it has the end, has a little LED in those too. So that's nice. You can put them down here and use it as a lantern. So if you're camping, again, you don't want something super bright. Just enough though. It's a nice idea. I do like that. And then also it'll do SOS. You push it again. So if you need help, you can put this outside your car and they're super bright. And just let that go. So that's a neat feature. So I like these things because not only are they have some safety features built into them, but they're very useful. I mean, you can put this in your glove compartment. It's always good to have. You know, you never know how much you realize like you want one until you need something like this and you don't have it. And then check that out. Like I said, it doesn't do it justice on the video because it's really, really bright. I do like this a lot. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. If you guys do a lot of camping, like I said, you work on your car, you work on your bike, whatever it is, they're great to have around. Like I said, super strong magnet. And right now they have a great code. Pick it up on Amazon, guys, so you get fast shipping. They have a code down below. I'll link it in the description. Definitely take advantage of that. There's a 10% coupon on Amazon right now, and then the code will save you another 10%. So 20% off, guys. Like I said, it's under $40. Very useful. It's always good to have something like this around in case of emergencies as well. If you guys are stuck on the road or whatever it is, it's a nice product to have. So again, definitely check the description out, guys. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.